position. 2, 3, 4. Good pass. 1. Good. Oh, good pass. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8, 2, 9, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. Again. 8, 9. Don't count. 10, I'm not counting. 11, 1, 12. Good. Okay. Oh wow. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Real straight and real straight. Still real straight. Now elbows. Right. Oh. 2. No. Good fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do like this. So that just to tell you, like 8, 9, not up. So when it will not be up, I'll do like 12, inside. Okay. Elbows. Good. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Start. Now both can attack or defend. I'll count points. Okay. Great. Okay. Now there's a 3-minute round and I will count points. Okay. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. Wow. Good dodge. No, it was a dodge. Okay, 2 points. Go. Good dodge. Go.
Oh, that was good.
Go. Go. Start. 1, 2. 1, 2. Chase me. Oh. 1, 2. Stop it. Chase. Okay, I got it. No. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep your hands up. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come.
This was nice or different?
1, 2. Okay, wow. You cornered me. Okay. 1, 2. 1. No. 2. Okay.
Oh, 1 minute.
1. 1, 2. Don't do this. Don't make it right. 1. Okay. Go. No. Hand. Hand. 1, 2. No. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. How was the workshop?
I loved it. My sister dragged me here, but I didn't realize that I'm gonna enjoy it so much. I feel like every woman out there need to attend this workshop. That's what I feel. It's amazing. It was so much fun, and I really enjoyed it.
What
I
did
think
you-
so. We are going to come back again.
Okay, what do you learn from the workshop?
So first thing that we learned through this workshop is, how to hit people But but the main thing is like how to balance your body, and while you balance, how to hit people, or how to make a powerful shot or something like that. So these are, and how to be fast.
Okay.
We can't run and hit people in India. So बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But yeah, that is something that we learned from this workshop. I think so. There's a lot more to learn, and we like to come back again.
So how did you like the workshop?
It was great. We have learned a lot today.
Okay. What did you learn?
So we learned about there are major 8 limbs. We have learned about defense, how to attack, and all those things. It was very good.
Okay. So are you gonna come back again?
Yes, definitely. All the girls out there, please come and join. It's very good. You will make a very great community.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you.